Installation of your carbon monoxide detector is critical to its effectiveness. CO detectors should be located on the bedroom levels of your home. They should not be within 5 feet of a combustion appliance like an oven, furnace, fireplace, or water heater, or within 3 feet of a corner or barrier that would impede airflow. The ideal place is in a hallway or in a large room. It's important to test your CO detector monthly by depressing the test button. To keep the sensors clean, use a vacuum to clear dust from the openings on the front of the unit. If you get a reading on your CO detector, don't take it lightly. This is a serious indication of a potential fatal situation. If your CO detector reads between 10 and 35, call Bonfe and your gas company provider. You have a carbon monoxide issue that needs attention. If your CO detector reads between 36 and 99, exit the building immediately and call 911. Deaths in infants have been reported at these levels. If your CO detector reads anything over 100, exit the building and call 911. The threat to even a healthy adult is at risk.